Hello, children. Welcome back to the online class of 7th standard. So, in the last class, we have discussed about the lesson Soldier's Son. How did Makbul save the pilot and what was his braveness? So, he was a soldier's son of Paramavira Chakra awardee in. Yes, tell me the year also. In the year 1971 war. Okay. So in this lesson, I'm going to give you some question answers now. Take your classwork, take a pen and write neatly. Okay? Yes. Let us start now. So here is our first question. Explain in your own words how a pilot saved himself. So the pilot saved how himself. The plane was shot down by enemy fire and the pilot fell out of the plane before it crashed in a matter of minutes. So the enemy stood at the plane. A parachute, a white structure, mushroomed and opened like a flower in the sky, and pilot floated gently down with the wind to the ground. And this is how pilot rescued himself. So, next one. The boy saw the plane only after it had been shot. Yes? Yes. Just suddenly, when he saw the shoot to the plane, he came to see to and to save the pilot. This is all you should write in your class works. In English, nouns are commonly used as verbs also. Point out to your partner to such verbs in paragraphs. Plane was veering and shuddering in the sky? Yes. Man floated gently down the wind? Yes. Boy emerged from the clump of trees. Clump means it is a group of trees. Where was the pilot flying to when his plane was shot? Where the pilot was moving? To the Ambala station. Pilot was flying to Air Force Station at Ambala. Okay. Why did the enemy shoot at the boy? Yes, anybody tell me? Why did the enemy shoot at the boy? As in the lesson, the boy ran away to inform to the Commander Sahib and to submit the papers about the enemies. So they knew that the boy is running and he brought the army people. So they shot at the boy. The enemy shot the boy because they came to know that the boy had helped the rescue the pilot and enemies was arrested by police. So by the help of Makbul Bhatt only, the team came and arrested the enemies. The sentry had been the plane crash. So did the sentry see? No, he was not knowing about the plane crash. Makbul Bhatt was a patriot son. Yes, actually, right. Obviously, he was the patriot's son. He was brave at the age of 11, 12 years. No, we can't see every student, but Makbul Bhatt was a patriot son and he was very much brave. They can't do a thing if your number is not written on the bullet. Explain the statement to your partner. This is nothing but he said that if your name is not written on the bullet, no necessary of worrying. So, दाने दाने पे लिखा है खाने वालों का नाम. That means when your name is written on the rice, however you will get it. The same if your name is written on the bullet, wherever you be, you will get the shot. So they can't do a thing if your number is not written on the bullet. This sentence means a soldier has to fight till his last minute of death. A soldier should not run away from the enemy. If he does so, the soldier is not a real soldier. The boy knew. What the boy knew? The boy knew what the officer did not know. Yes, because The officer was not knowing that where is the pilot, but the boy was knowing where is the pilot and where are the enemies. How did he fell down? The commanding officer said something humorously. So humorously ನಗ್ತಾ ನಗ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ? ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋಟೆಡ್, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ವೆನ್ ದ ಬಾಯ್ ಮಕ್ಬುಲ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ, ಮಕ್ಬುಲ್ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ? He had to carry the orders given by pilot, and he also said that he knew the enemy lines. He knew the place where the pilot fell, and also he can guide them to go by shortcut, and also inform that the enemies came on foot. So he told the commander sahib that enemies came on the foot, and if we go on the jeeps we can catch them easily, so that jeeps will be able to surround them and catch them. The instruction given by the boy like a well trained soldier. He was giving his instructions like a well trained soldier. So the commander sahib felt surprised. So he told, the instruction given by the boy like a well trained soldier made the commander humorous, and commanding officer said smilingly, instructions noted sir, action will be taken. Okay. Next, how did the commanding officer and major tend the boy? Here the word tend. Tend means he was to make comfortable. If they are not feeling comfortably or sleeping comfortable, making them to sleep comfortable. In your home, when you sleep by watching TV or by playing the mobiles, then your mother make you to sleep comfortable. That is tend the boy. How did the commanding officer and the major tend the boy? Major and commanding officer tend the boy by telling that the boy is a soldier. The commanding officer told, you are a soldier already, and they have hope that someday the boy will lead Indian army with the same daring and courage. Okay. Yes. Next, a distant voice came. Distant means ಆಕಾಶವಾಣಿ, ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಕಾಣಲಾರಂಥದ್ದು, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ? A distant voice came to the officer's ears. Whose voice was that? Yes, we all know that it was the voice of Makbul's father. A distant voice which was lost in the distant years was the voice of Makbul's father, who was the winner of Paramavira Chakra in 1971. Next we have, what was Makbul's ambition? Ambition means aim. Makbul's ambition was to become a soldier. Makbul's ambition as a soldier's son was to become a soldier when he grew up. ದೊಡ್ಡವನಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರ ತಂದೆ ಥರ ಅವನಿಗೂ ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಆಸೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟ್ರೈ, ಆ್ಯಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ eating, having everything of India, we are taking everything from our country, but what are we giving to our country? Yes, we should think it about, no? Yes, so try to become a soldier, and let us hope everyone will become soldier. And do you know what are the qualities to be a soldier? First is your patriotism. Desha bhakti irಬೇಕು ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಾಗೆ, and you should be very strong, good educated, well educated, and then we will have some height and weight and all. Have you seen the people walking, practicing running in the grounds? Yes, when we see in the morning, people will be running, exercising, high jump, long jump and all. Get the information about it. Next we have word formation. What is word formation? So word formation means using the words and making it as a single word by using two words like noun and verb. Verb is drink. So noun is soft drink, this type. lifelong. Yes. Green color, black board, then gold fish, bedroom, washing machine. These all are our compound nouns. Okay. So first one is life, boy, life boy, life secure, SECURE, life secure, life guard. By using life, we are doing here compound nouns. Life boy, life secure, life guard, life jacket. Then one more is lifeline. We use lifeline while playing. Yes, Kannadada Kotyadipati. Next one is lifelong. Lifelong, we will be learning something new. Lifelong. Life size. We don't know the size of our life. How many years we are going to be live. Then lifetime. So this is for lifetime. Means until your death. Lifetime. 10 years, 20 years, 50 years, 100 years. That is your lifetime. Okay. In the same page, you have grammar, the noun clause. 7 examples of noun clauses are given below. Study them and know the grammatical functions of the noun clauses. Here we have simple sentences, compound sentences, complex sentences. In the next class, I will send you the sentences, simple, compound and complex. By that we will understand the complex sentences. Okay. So write down in your classwork. Thank you for watching and keep watching. Bye. Have a nice day.